To enable or disable read element IDs allowed in screen reader Samsung Galaxy S10, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. Scroll down. Tap accessibility. Tap screen reader. Tap settings. Tap verbosity. Tap read element IDs allowed, switch until blue to enable or tap until gray to disable. If you enable read element IDs allowed when you enable screen reader for unlabeled buttons and other interactive items, read the element ID aloud. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.